Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I'll teach you how to draw a bar chart. Now, it's a very simple concept. Now, let's assume that we have to compare or draw a bar chart for this information. Let's say week, then number of car passing through a particular road. So let's say number of car passing through a particular road. So we have week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. Okay, so let's just stop here. So let's assume that in week 1, the number of cars that pass through is actually, let's say, 8. Here, let's say 12, 16, let's say 14, let's say 10. Okay, and you're asked to present what this information. Now, this is week 1, the number of cars that pass through a particular road. Week 2 ahead, you're asked to represent this in a bar chart. All right, just now I'm assuming that I'm drawing a graph, but in reality, you are supposed to put this in a piece of graph paper. All right, so put our scale. Let's say here is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, let's say 18. All right, so let's just put here as week 1. So here is week, then here is number of car. Okay, number of car. Okay, so you just represent, let's say here is week 1. Week 1, what do we have? 8 cars. Okay, week 2, what do we have? 12. Week 3, what do we have? 16. Week 4, what do we have? 14. Week 5, what do we have? 10. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you just realize that in drawing a bar chart, it's a very simple concept, but in reality, you're supposed to put this thing in a graph paper, and it's supposed to be neater than this, where you have the centimeter clearly labeled out, and the distance between 2, 4, 6 will be even, equal. All right. So, but this is just a simple concept, and sometimes they ask you a question: the number of cars that pass through the road in week 5. What is the number? This. Which of the week has the highest number of vehicular traffic? Which one? Week 3. And what is the number of vehicular traffic? 16. That pass through in that particular week. So it's a very simple concept. I'm displaying a simple data on the board. Just draw a bar chart for this.